Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and we got Lerm here today. He's my bud. he goes out and does a little too much sometimes and throws his back out of whack. And he likes to call me the antique chiropractor because I'm always working on antiques like him. Right?
Real.
So, Lerm's main problem area is usually at the base of the rib cage at the thoracolumbar junction, T11 through L1. Right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you've had back surgery too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of surgery you had? A laminectomy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. When did you have that?
2 years, maybe 3 years ago.
Okay, yeah. So, we don't mess with that area too much. I see this quite a bit. So after back surgeries, the areas above and below the surgery, people start having issues there. So I'm just trying to maintain those areas so that they last longer and don't wear out and they don't require surgery sooner than they would. So Lerm's SI joints don't feel too bad. The left one is a little tight today, but that's his main area usually.
Mm-hmm.
And he said today that he's having some pain at the base of his neck, like it's kind of squeezing, and that is pretty tight right there on the left.
That's aware.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, gotcha. So I'm going to start at his main area, and then we're going to come up to the neck, and then we'll recheck the left SI to see if that needs adjusted. So let me have you lay on your back. This up for you. There we go. I always like to tell Lerm we're just knocking all the rust off. Right?
Yes, sir.
A little WD-40 on those joints. Alright. Lay back. Good, all the way back. Let the air out. Let it go. One more. That didn't budge, did it? Did you feel it move?
No.
Come on over a little bit more and look a little bit to the right.
Oh,
Not that one.
felt that.
We're going to get on that same one. Right over there. Yeah, let your head drop. Good. Just a little tug. Good. You turn on your side.
Again?
Yeah. Right. Doing good? Okay. So I didn't get much movement right there at the thoracolumbar junction. So I'm going to try and see if we get a little more motion there. Let this leg come up. Great. You straighten your bottom leg for me. Good. We're going to slide it back a little bit. You got it. There it goes.
Here's something.
There it goes. Good. I just wanted to go a different way. All right, lay on your stomach. We're going to adjust that left SI joint a little bit. We're going to use the drops. And that released already. Good. That moved easy. Yeah. So I like to use the flexion distraction table here after I adjust Lerm. Because we got some motion in there, so I want to try and reinforce that by doing some passive motion to keep that joint moving. Give the brain a little feedback. Telling the brain, hey, this is what it feels like when the joint moves. Let's try and maintain that. And sometimes I like to kind of think about it as like a rusty hinge. So when you're trying to get a rusty hinge moving, you usually work it back and forth continuously. You don't just go once and expect it to move usually. So that's why I like to do this. And that's why sometimes we have to adjust people more than once. Is that repetitive, asking the body, okay, we want these joints to start moving more. And when they haven't been moving for a long time, sometimes you have to ask the body a few times to get that joint moving again. But Lerm moved real good today. What's it been, about a month since I've seen you?
Probably.
Yeah. Good. Not letting up here?
Somewhat.
Yeah, a little bit.
When I try to sleep at night, if I roll to that side and put my arm, it's like somebody's grabbing a hold there.
Okay. Let your head come over a little bit. And let your left shoulder down. Look down. There it goes. Good. Look down. Good. This is your favorite part, right?
Oh yeah, the wall.
The wall. He calls it the wall. Get coffee this morning?
Pardon?
Get coffee with the guys this
Oh
morning?
yeah, everyone.
What's the news?
Not much anymore.
Not much?
Complaining about the new school there in Woodville.
Oh yeah. We guys are right next door to it.
Yep. I don't know why most of us ain't gonna pay that much towards it anyhow. 37 years, we ain't gonna pay it off.
Ain't that the truth, huh? Hopefully you pay maybe about half of it.
Pardon?
Maybe you'll pay about half of it, what do you think?
That'd be probably a miracle.
You shoot that, it'll be a miracle. That muscle in there for you.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
Cool. Let's bring you back in the chair.
I was looking around to make sure you didn't have a green screen somewhere.
Oh, you put some different backgrounds up.
I'm making a movie of a beach whale or something.
That's good. Hey, that moved good today.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, good.
Well, between coming here and working out at the Y, it's helped.
Yeah, that's great.
So, yeah.
What are you doing at the Y lately?
Just the walking and the
Okay.
bicycles,
Okay.
the light exercise stuff.
Great. Well, staying active always helps.
Yeah, I don't go for that heavy stuff.
Well, hey, I'm Dr. Butler. This is Lerman, right? I keep
Yeah,
calling you
I
Lerman.
go by Bud most of the time.
You never told me that.
Yeah, no, you never noticed Diane always calls me Bud?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm oblivious. Well, hey, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.